What's up?
It's your boy Chronix. I hope you all guys are doing well. And today I will teach you guys how to layer bases. So let's just dive into it. But before starting this tutorial, it's really important that you guys understand the importance of layering bases. So first let's take a listen to a professional's point of view, why it's important to layer bases.
This is like what you're not gonna hear on your iPhone, for example. That's like your mid bass. That's why it's important to have a mid bass, because that's what you're gonna hear in your mix when you're just listening on your iPhone, for example. The sub is just yeah, it's just you're just gonna hear it on a good sound system. So make sure you have this mid bass in your mix as well, because otherwise it sounds really empty.
Now that you know the importance of layering basses, let's start the tutorial. First step is to create a really thick sub bass using a sine wave. And never, ever, forget to add a shit ton of distortion to make your bad boy even more thicker. After that, add a equalizer to cut frequencies below 20 Hz, and also high mid frequencies for leaving room for the extra layer of basses, and I added a utility to make it 100% mono.
Nice.
Get ready boys, now that we created our sub, it's time to stack some layers. We will use 4 different layers of basses. First I will add a bass which consists of low mid frequencies, which will provide body and warmth to our basses. I cut it really low frequencies and some high frequencies, so it gets out of the way of sub, and hear how it sounds. Next step is to add character and grit to our basses. For this I will use a really dirty and distorted bass, and I will again cut low frequencies. And hear how it sounds. Okay boys, now that we added warmth and character to our bass, it's time to make it punchy and clicky. For doing that I will use a really metallic and plucky bass. Adding a plucky bass will help your bass to cut through the mix. I will use this preset
That I made myself in Serum.
and hear how it sounds. The 4th layer will be a retro bass. Open Nexus and find a nice preset. This Juno Plus will work. And always cut low frequencies. And hear how it sounds. And the final step is to group them together. And on the group channel, I have a FabFilter Saturn. Like I said earlier, never,
Ever.
forget to add distortion. Using distortion in a right way is key thing to create a fat sound. After that I have a Pro Q3 to cut any frequencies below 90 Hz. By doing that you make sure that there is nothing interrupting with our sub bass. And I remove some annoying frequencies and some high frequencies after 10,000 Hz, for leaving room for the leads. And finally, I compress them with the glue plugin, to get an even and balanced signal in terms of dynamics. Let's see how the final result sounds like. If you made it until this far, I have a free gift for you. Check out the link in the description, which is download link to a zip folder, which consists of 20 Serum preset and group of bases that we just created. Download them and feel free to use them into your productions.
It's 100% free.
Well, that's it for today, boys. If you have any question related to this tutorial, leave them in comments. I will definitely answer all of them. And if you find out this tutorial helpful or entertaining, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification as well. And one last important thing, boys, don't forget to share this video with your producer friends. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.
Check this out.